So I'm going to be building a new worm farm. My old one just didn't seem to work all that well, and it kind of got taken over by like gnats and flies and stuff. So I'm just going to make a new one, a little bit bigger one, and hopefully it'll work out. So right here I've got some paper and shredded up cardboard, and we're just going to wet it down real good. I forgot to drill holes in it to let the water drain out, so I'm going to do that real quick. Just a couple right in the middle. Now I've got a little bit of topsoil to mix in with it. I've also got some duckweed and some other dead leaves and stuff from my aquariums. That's what I do with all my extra and or dead plants from all my aquariums. Let me grab a shovel. So I've got this old nasty 10-gallon tank that I'm just going to set it on so that it has somewhere to drain into, and it basically just evaporates out of there. Although, yeah, there's holes and stuff in it, and it's cracked and stuff, but it still holds a little bit of water. I should have waited to add water. Oh well. That's why it's a basement. So it's just gonna sit there. Grab the camera real quick. Sorry, the lighting in here is not the best, but it's the only place I have to put it right now. There's not very much in here, but I'm gonna continue to add probably another whole bag of topsoil, and just keep adding paper and cardboard shreddings as I go along. But this should be enough to get a couple worms started. There's a nice one. should be good. For now anyways. So here's all the worms I got. Decent amount, a couple nice ones. And I'm just gonna dump them all in here. And they should be good to go. I'm gonna put a lid on it yet. Drill some holes in it. Here's the lid. And there's also, this thing's not very tight, so should get a little bit of air leaking through around the rim too. This will help retain some of the moisture for longer. Just set it on top there. And yeah, they should be fat and happy, reproducing anytime soon.